and I hope that it's overturned in the next government. And, you've touched on the Gaeltacht a few times. There are many advances that have been made in regard to the Irish language. Many of the battles that you outlined, I think, have pretty much been fought and won. And every so often they rear their head, but they're more like a freak show of yesteryear. And most people, in my opinion, now are confident enough, have thrown off the shackles of post-colonialism, which has been holding us back. There's some shame that our people have not been able to come to terms with. And one of the outworkings of that is this loathing of one of the most important aspects of who we are, the Irish language.